Hello coders, and welcome to How to Fix. In today's video, we'll be focusing on a new bug that you might find challenging to solve. So without further ado, let's dive into today's bug.
First, let's run code 1 that generate the error and let's see what happens. Let's walk you through the interpretation and the correction for this bug. Please halt the video to go through the explanation. Let's now correct the code and take a look at the resulting outcome. And just like that, the code is running smoothly and our output is on point. The bug has been squashed. That concludes today's video. If you found this tutorial useful, be sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more troubleshooting videos. Remember, stay inquisitive, keep learning, and happy debugging, folks.